everybody, it's Jasmine. So today I have a challenge video. I know I asked you guys on the YouTube community page what kind of challenge you guys wanted, and I was stuck between three, but this morning I felt like I would do something new because I was actually watching Makeup by Michael Finch and he did the 30-second makeup challenge, and I thought I wanted to do that because I think I can actually do it. So hopefully, I mean, I have work right after this, so hopefully it turns out really good. I'm hoping for the best. So basically what I'm gonna do is with each step of my makeup routine, I am gonna only have 30 seconds to do it, and I think that's quite a challenge, you know? So let's get started. Okay, so I have my timer ready, and I'm gonna start off with primer. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Pro Base Blur Primer. I actually really like this. So, ooh, let's take off the cap first. Oh my god, okay, go. I'm going with 2 pumps. This step should be easy. Okay, got 20 seconds left. And I think I'm okay for the most part. Yep, alright. And that's 10 seconds left, so I'm gonna stop that. And I'm gonna go into foundation. I'm gonna pump this out on the back of my hand first because the whole mixing on the back of my hand is gonna take way too long. So I'm gonna take my Fenty foundation in the shade 290 and 210. Just gonna squirt a pump of each on the back of my hand, mix it up. Let me have my blender ready and let's go. Just, okay. Shit, I didn't grab enough foundation. 15 seconds left. It's fine, I can cover the rest of my face in concealer. It's gonna be all good. Blend it, 5 seconds left. Okay, it's done. Why did that ring so late? Hello? Then I'm gonna go in with my No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 20. Okay, let's go. I just realized I didn't bring any powder, so I guess that's fine. We're gonna go straight into the brows. I'm kind of nervous because I think the brows is the one step in my routine I feel like takes the longest. So I am gonna go in with my Covergirl brow pencil. I'm actually kind of debating because in my 5-minute makeup challenge, I used my Shop Miss A one and that literally applied my eyebrows in like 0.2 seconds. Should I go with my Shop Miss A one? Okay, no, I'm gonna go with my Covergirl one. Oh Jesus, okay. And let me have a mirror in hand. I'm nervous, I'm really nervous. Okay. Oh no, I regret it. 10 seconds. Okay, they're not that bad. They are not bad. Okay, it's done. My ringer rings like a second late, so I'm sorry. Alright. So for eyeshadow, I have this palette right here. This palette, I feel like I can't go wrong. You know, this is a palette that I feel like is foolproof. Okay, so I have 2 brushes with me. Let's go. All right, we're done. Thank you. Okay, 30 seconds for eyeliner. I'm gonna go into my Physicians Formula one because I can't find my Clinique one for some weird reason. I think a ghost took it. This one's a new one, so, ooh, she's juicy. Okay. I have a feeling I can do it. Like, I have a really strong feeling I could do it, but at the same time, I'm really anxious because it can go real south real quick. Okay. Not now. Oh no. Oh no, this eye's giving me trouble. It's fine. It's fine. Why did this one go on so quick? And then this one just looked so bad. I'm gonna fix it with eyelashes. So in my defense, just like Michael, I'm gonna apply the glue beforehand because you're not supposed to apply wet eyelash glue straight onto the eye. So I'm gonna apply it, let it sit for like a second before I apply it. And even yet, applying lashes in 30 seconds is pretty fast. So let's see how well I could do. I'm just using my Kiss eyelash glue and I'm using some new lashes. I wore it for the first time yesterday. These are by Eyelure and this is in the style Baroque. They're pretty natural. I don't know, I was trying to find a dupe for my Lily lashes in the Opulence style, but that's impossible. So let's get the lash ready and we're gonna go ahead. Oh my god, I didn't even apply mascara. Are you kidding me? Well, it's too late. It's too late. We're already here. It's fine. I don't even know if I'm gonna even wear this makeup look to work anymore. That's how my day's going. The lashes concealed the eyeliner. Alright, now time for bronzer. I thought it would be kind of easy because I have like a little duo here. My lashes are not fully dried. Oh god. They're not fully dried, so they're moving. It's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Colourpop bronzer. This one's discontinued, but any bronzer will do. I like how I start talking and then once I click the button, I just stop. I'm like, not today, sorry, I'll come back later. Give me 30 seconds. All right, you know, I have time, I have 10 seconds. I can blend, I can, you know, take advantage of the time. I'm good, I'm good. Okay. See, I need my blush brush. If you guys don't know, now you know. Wet n Wild Apricot in the Middle blush is my favorite. This shouldn't be, you know, I'm gonna take my time on this one because blush, you know, it's just a very easy and quick step. Just blending that out. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that, 10 seconds left and I'm gonna go straight into highlighter. All right, so I'm gonna grab two brushes. I'm gonna grab one for my face and then one for my eyes. So I'm gonna take the Keep Going highlight by Real Her. I'm gonna take just a very small amount, pop that onto the cheeks. I don't want it to be too loud. And I'm also probably gonna take off this makeup look, so I don't wanna waste it. How about that? Yeah. All right, I have some time. I'm gonna continue to blend. Yeah. Beautiful. I'm gonna go in with lips and I already started the timer. Shit, why did I do that? Why? I'm so eager to finish, like, just get it done. And where the hell is my Cupid's bow? And for shits and giggles, let's go in with Kohl eyeliner, and I'm gonna try and do black on my upper waterline and then brown on my lower waterline. I'm gonna start off with brown first because I think that'll make the look a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh no. Where'd my eyeliner go? Let's go ahead and lock it in with some setting spray by Morphe. Oh, my phone. All right, well that took like 5 seconds. So now I'm done. All in all, you know what? This look isn't bad. For sure it's not bad. What I am gonna do, because I do have work, I'm gonna take off these lashes. I'm gonna blend my eyeshadow a little bit more. I'm gonna fill in my brows a little bit more. And then reapply the eyelashes, and then I'll call it a day. I think the base itself doesn't look too bad. Maybe the bronzer needs a little bit more of like a cut look. But hey, 30 seconds to do everything. I don't think it was that bad. I definitely think Michael did a way better job. He's very talented. But I hope you guys all really enjoyed this video nonetheless. I hope it was really fun for you guys. It was really fun for me. It was definitely put under pressure. I know it didn't seem like it. I was just not talking. But this was actually a real challenge. I'm glad that my eyeshadow like looked a little bit blended. I just want to add something else to it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh my god, ew. But all in all, that wraps up this video. Keep an eye out for those other challenge videos because I will film them once I have time. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.